Hi all, today we will talk about polymorphism in Python. As per the definition of polymorphism, it's an ability to take many forms. In the context of Python, polymorphism means a function can be used in different ways. In the context of classes, different classes can have same method names but with different signatures. Here, different signatures means a method or a function will have different outputs or different inputs such that different arguments with different or same data types. The only condition will be accept different outputs. A method in different classes will have some logic if it has different inputs with different or same data types. For example, we have a method having different inputs with different data types. We are using if-else condition to return the result based on input type. If we have used this method in different classes, then everywhere the logic will remain same, such that it will contain the if-else logic to provide result based on input type. Same thing is being done in length function in Python. Let's understand with length function example. Also, you can visit this URL in case if you want to know more about signatures in Python. We can utilize length function to get the length of a string or a list or a dictionary. Thus, we can utilize the same function length for different inputs. We can call it polymorphism. Here you can see that we are providing different inputs with different data type, such that the first one is a string, second one is a list, and third one is a dictionary. Now in the next cell we have defined two classes called Gujarat and Maharashtra. Gujarat and Maharashtra are the states of India. In these two classes, we have utilized same method names with same inputs but with different outputs. So here you can see that the methods name like state name, language, capital, all are same in both the classes. Then over here we have created an object of Gujarat class and an object of Maharashtra class. Next, we are iterating over both the objects such that object of Gujarat class and an object of Maharashtra class by combining them in a tuple. As both the classes have same method names with same logic, we can directly call those methods like state name, language, capital without bothering about if any class has any specific method or not. Also, we can get the respective answer of respective method from each class on being called. As you can see that we are able to get answer for Gujarat and Maharashtra class respectively, even though both have same methods such that language of Gujarat is Gujarati and language of Maharashtra is Marathi, though they are both having same method language. As I have mentioned earlier, same methods will have some logic in case of different inputs with different or same data types. In case there is any change in these parameters in any class, then we cannot iterate through objects as it will result in an error of mismatch. Also, it will be no longer polymorphism. For example, let's put extra argument ABS over here in Maharashtra class. Now, if we re-execute the cell, we will get an error that missing required positional argument ABS. Hence, it's necessary to have some logic for different inputs with different or same data types. Polymorphism will help us to group different classes having same method names. It will help us to iterate through group of classes having same method names without being worried about availability of the method in any class. Also, in Python, method overloading, that is a way to create multiple methods with the same name but different arguments is not possible. Over here, we are closing the classes series in Python. That's it for the day. Thank you everyone for watching this video.